Hey there, it's me, Quashara, with Quashara Detroit Publishing. Thanks so much for tuning in today to the live. I'm going to talk about, are you ready for media opportunities after you wrote your book, after you've published your book and it's available for sale? Hi, Delphinita. Thanks so much for joining. Today I'm talking about, are you ready? Are you ready for the media opportunities that will automatically just come up as a result of writing and publishing your book? So you've done the hard work, you've written your book, and you have published your book. So what's next, right? Are you ready for the different opportunities that you will have because you wrote a book? So, and sometimes these opportunities will come up. People will ask you because they see you, promoting your book. They may see you going live. They may see you in different groups or whatever. And they may ask, does somebody want to join my event? Or, you have different invitations. And sometimes you have to seek out those invitations. Most times you have to seek them out. But since I published my first book in 2018, I've been getting a lot of different opportunities. And a lot of these opportunities, people have approached me because they saw that I was promoting my book. So I want to know, are you ready for those opportunities? And so part of being ready is having your bio. So if you published your book, and 9 times out of 10, you have your bio. Typically, your bio is on the back of your book, right? So you'll have a professional photo, and I would say professional, not using a selfie, but a professional photo that a photographer has taken so that you can use it to elevate your position as an author. So a professional photo, you need a bio. So there is a short bio, and then there's a long bio. Long bio is about up to 500 words, and a short could be maybe 100 to 150 words, because sometimes they'll have a limit on how many words your bio can have, right? So I would say about 150 words to 200 is a good amount of words for your bio. So you need and I'm looking over here at my Speaker One sheet for notes. So you need to have your bio. You need to have speaking topics as a result of your book. Do you have speaking topics? If you don't have a speaking topic yet, you may want to think about creating at least one speaking topic from your book. You can use the title of your book, excuse me, as your speaking topic. I'm just going to grab some water right now. So your book can be your speaking topic, or you can use a chapter from your book to have a speaking topic. So you need to have your professional photo, your bio, your speaking topics. Also, have you been featured for other opportunities like magazines? So like, for instance, I was featured in Speakers Magazine before. I was featured on blacknews.com, Courageous Women Magazine, Advanced Magazine, Glambitious, Splash. And this opportunity, I was just out to eat breakfast. And when I went out to the hallway, because it was like a little mall, there was somebody interviewing people, in the community. And so they asked if I want to be interviewed. And I was like, yeah. I wasn't prepared for the interview, but I said, yeah. And so they asked me what was the biggest thing that I'm excited about for the summer. This was years ago. I said, oh, my book is coming out. And so they started asking questions about what's your favorite food. They had like 4 different questions that they asked, and then they will promote them. They will, have them available one time a week for like about 3 or 4 weeks in a row. So that was an opportunity that I didn't expect to happen. So you can be at the right place at the right time. And so within those questions, I mentioned my book, right? So there are going to be different opportunities that come up. So just make sure that you are ready. Again, you need to have your professional photo, which you should already have because you have your book, your bio. You should have your speaking topics, and you should have where you were featured. If you were featured on the news, a local newspaper, blogs, wherever you were featured, you should have that listed on your Speaker One sheet. And finally, connection information, like how can people connect with you? Your website, your social media channels, your email address, have all the information available so that if somebody wants to follow up with you, they'll have quick access to follow up with you. Again, your Speaker One sheet it's just a sheet. It's like one sheet of electronic press kit. I don't know. I'm sorry. I can't talk today, probably because I'm so tired. An electronic press kit is it could be 3 to 4 pages, which it lists is more detailed than just a speaker one sheet. A speaker one sheet is one sheet with your photo, your bio, your speaking topics, your past features. And then also on my speaker one sheet, I have past speaking testimonials. So a testimonial from one of my past speaking engagements. So again, your photo, your short bio, speaking topics, your contact information, and then where you've been featured in the past, as well as a possible testimonial from a previous speaking engagement. And what I'll do for the cover of this video, I will put my latest speaker one sheet. Now I need to get this updated because I don't have my new book, and also your book cover and the title of your book and where your book can be purchased. You should have that on your speaker one sheet as well. So I'm gonna when I upload this video, I'm going to put on there a couple of speaker one sheets, this one and then the previous one that I had before. So I'll put that on there so you can have, an example of what a speaker one sheet is. And, you can get this done pretty reasonable. You can find it on Fiverr. Someone can do it on Fiverr. I include speaker one sheets as a part of my publishing package depending on the package that you get. So my higher package has a speaker one sheet included. Also, it has questions for interviews, so you can prepare for your interviews as well. So if you are interested in publishing your book and you are looking to get a speaker one sheet and your bio updated and all the information that you need in order to promote yourself as a professional author, please send me a direct message. I'll be more than happy to set up a 15-minute discovery call for you. And thanks so much for those that have been tuning in to the replays of my 30-day challenge. Today is day 13. And it's really hard. I was about to miss this day. I was in the bed and I was like, you know what? Nope, Shar, get up and do your live video, because you never know who this video may reach, right? So if you have not gone live in a while, I want to encourage you to start going live, because it's going to make you feel more comfortable. Because it's like I would say, a couple of years ago, I used to go live all the time, but the last 2 years, I haven't been as consistently going live as I was in the past. So once I'm in the process of doing this 30-day live challenge, I'm getting, more comfortable on going live again on Instagram. Instagram is my favorite channel to go live on. Really haven't gone live too many times on Facebook, but Instagram is my favorite. So you'll find me on Instagram going live, unless I have an interview on Facebook. So if I do like podcast interviews, a lot of people have them on Facebook. I'm on live, during the interview or something like that. But for the most part, you'll find me going live on Instagram. So I hope you are having a great Sunday, and I hope you have a great week ahead. And tomorrow will be day 14. So I'm excited to be on day 14. So that's 2 whole weeks of going live. And, even when you don't feel like it, show up anyway. Okay, because it's going to make a difference in your life and the lives of others. All right, so have a great day. And again, I'll try to put one of my speaker one sheets. I'm going to put a couple of copies, this one and then the previous one that I had. This one is more to the point, but this one doesn't have any book covers on it. It just has my logo for my company. It has my name, my bio, speaking topics, feature in and on the different, magazines or media opportunities there, past speaking testimonials, and Let's Connect. So I have to get an updated one. So that's what I'm working on in the next couple of weeks. So once I get that, I'll post it on my page as well. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on tomorrow. Peace out.